Hello everyone, Hiltos here. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Peerplays Witness Node with Docker. First, we'll update the package repo and install a few required packages. Next, we'll clone the Peerplays Docker project from Gitlab. We'll open the Peerplays Docker directory and run the install docker command using the provided run shell script. Once Docker's installed, we'll copy the example environment file to make our own edits. We need to update the ports variable to open the 8090 and 8091 ports for our local host. Then we'll put the address of a public API node into the remote web socket variable. We can save and exit the environment file. Now we need to run the install command from the shell script. This will install the latest witness node and CLI wallet. With that done, we'll start the node. This triggers the node to create a config file that we'll need to edit later. If we check the logs, we'll see that we have to set up our config file with our witness information. For now, we'll stop the node. In the next video, we'll set up the witness account. With Docker, you'll get to the CLI wallet with the remote wallet shell script command.